अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। मैं मोहम्मद जावेद, सच की आवाज एनपीएस न्यूज। देखिए आज की ताजा खबर।
Every young girl aspires to be like Vinesh Phogat and Sakshi Malik. They would say, you know what, ये हमारे देश के लिए मेडल लेके आए हैं, मुझे भी करना है ये. But today what is the problem is the parents who are watching this, the parents who are watching these protesting wrestlers, the parents who are watching Delhi police understands one thing. They'll say, you know what, how can I send my daughters for training tomorrow? What if that happens to them? And on top of that, what they're seeing is the Delhi police are not manhandling Brij Bhushan Singh. They are manhandling our daughters. They are arresting our daughters. Tomorrow my daughters will be here. And what is the message you're giving to rapists, to sexual offenders, sexual predators, to molesters? The message to them is, आप जाइए और करो. दिल्ली पुलिस आपको